Today, we're unboxing the brand new Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, the ultimate adventure smartwatch that promises to take performance, design, and durability to the next level. From the moment you hold the box, you can tell Garmin has refined everything: the packaging, the design, and especially that gorgeous new display. In this video, I'll be giving you my very first look, hands-on impressions, and an unboxing experience of this highly anticipated watch. We'll check out the build quality, the upgraded sensors, the brighter screen, and of course, see what makes the Fenix 8 Pro feel like a true flagship. So, let's dive right into the box and see if Garmin has really created the best adventure smartwatch yet. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. When you think of premium adventure smartwatches, Garmin has always been at the top of the list, and with the arrival of the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, expectations are sky high. Today, I finally have the box in front of me, and this is going to be my very first look at this much-anticipated device. From the moment you hold the packaging, you realize Garmin has stayed consistent with its premium branding. The box feels sturdy, sleek, and perfectly designed to reflect the rugged yet sophisticated identity of the Fenix series. On the front of the box, there's a glossy image of the watch itself, showing off its bold circular display and rugged case. Around the sides, you can see Garmin's signature minimalist branding with just enough information to keep you curious without giving everything away. As I begin to unbox the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, the excitement is genuinely real because this isn't just another smartwatch. It's the flagship tool for athletes, explorers, and fitness enthusiasts who want the very best in technology strapped to their wrist. Pulling off the top lid, the first thing I'm greeted with is the watch itself, carefully nestled in a protective foam cutout. The watch looks stunning right out of the box. Even before peeling off the protective film, you can see how Garmin has refined the design. The bezels are slightly slimmer than before, and the overall build quality feels like a natural progression from the Fenix 7 Pro. Holding it in hand, the watch has that perfect balance of rugged durability and premium craftsmanship. The stainless steel frame feels solid, and the sapphire glass display catches the light beautifully. It's the kind of watch that feels reassuringly durable yet elegant enough to wear casually. Right underneath the watch, Garmin has tucked away the documentation and accessories. Inside the box, you get the proprietary charging cable, some paperwork, warranty details, and safety information. The unboxing experience feels clean and premium, without unnecessary clutter. As I peel away the protective layer on the display and press the power button for the very first time, the screen comes to life, and immediately I notice the brightness and sharpness have improved. Garmin has clearly upgraded the display technology here. The Fenix 8 Pro's screen is brighter, more colorful, and has better contrast compared to its predecessor. Even under bright studio lights, the screen looks vibrant, and I can already imagine how much better it will perform outdoors in direct sunlight, which has always been a crucial test for Garmin devices. Once the watch boots up, I go through the setup process. Pairing it with my phone is straightforward using the Garmin Connect app, and within minutes the watch is ready to go. The interface feels smooth, and I notice some subtle refinements in animations and navigation. Garmin has always been known for reliable software, and the Fenix 8 Pro looks like it's continuing that tradition with some added polish. Now, let's talk about the first